Your car suddenly feels like it is dragging a massive weight and that annoying check engine light just popped up on your dashboard. You are likely dealing with the diagnostic trouble code P0247, which points to a malfunction in the turbocharger wastegate solenoid B circuit. This is a generic electrical fault that affects many turbocharged or supercharged vehicles across the United States from brands like Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen. Essentially, the powertrain control module, which acts as the brain of your engine, has lost its ability to properly communicate with the solenoid that regulates boost pressure. When this happens, your car goes into a protective mode, leading to a noticeable lack of power and a malfunction indicator light staring you in the face. The root of the problem is almost always electrical, such as an open circuit or a short to ground in the wiring between the solenoid and the powertrain control module. It could also be a simple case of a failed wastegate control solenoid B. To start the repair, you should always check for any technical service bulletins released by the manufacturer, as this could save you a lot of time if there is a known software update or a common wiring failure point for your specific model. Next, find the solenoid under the hood and look for any signs of melted plastic, frayed wires, or green corrosion on the metal terminals. If the wiring looks good, you will need a digital volt-ohm meter to test the solenoid. First, check the resistance of the solenoid itself by touching the meter leads to the terminals. It should not show zero or infinite resistance. Then, turn the ignition on and verify that there are 12 volts at the power supply wire. If the power is there, you can use a scan tool to actuate the solenoid while using a test light to confirm the ground circuit is completing the loop. If the light does not flicker during the test, the wiring between the solenoid and the computer is damaged. You should definitely see a professional mechanic if you find that the powertrain control module itself has failed, because replacing that part requires specialized programming and calibration that most home garages are not equipped to handle. Getting this fixed promptly will restore your car's performance and prevent further engine issues. Check back soon for more car tips and stay safe on the road.